Good day, everyone. So for our Prelim project, we created a program that includes the basic operations of a pet and its information. A pet shop is providing service to its customers, either having dog or cat as their pets. We are going to identify their name, type, breed, color, age, sex, and owner's name. First, we are going to share the output before showing the line of codes we created. Here we used a user interface where the user is the one who will input data. First is we are going to identify if what menu we are going to use. When you enter 1 means you are going to register and 2 means exit. In this case, we are going to input first the one which means register. And when you enter it, following selection from A to F will be shown. Let's say I select letter C. Then the following information that will be shown is only the name, type, breed, and color. Let's say the name is Ava. The type is dog. The breed is terrier. And lastly, the color is brown. Then it will print the pet information of our pet, Ava. As you can see in our output, the age, sex, and owner's name are null because in the selection C, only informations included are the name, type, breed, and color. Then when we enter the number 2, it will exit automatically. Pet class.
Our pet class, this includes the class fields which are the name, type, breed, color, age, sex, and owner's name. And we have also created the overloading constructor. Total, we have 6 overloading constructors. Uh, our our first constructor name pet includes a 2 parameter which are the name and the type. Second constructor includes the name, type, and breed. Third one has the parameter which are the name, type, breed, and date. The fourth are the name type, breed, age, and the color. The fifth includes the parameter of name, type, breed, age, color, and the sex. Lastly, sixth constructor has the parameter including the name type, breed, age, color, sex, and the owner's name. Using the public void show details is how we will execute our pet name, pet type, breed, age, color, sex, and owner's name. That will be called by our main program.
Let's proceed to our main program. In this program, we use buffer reader and it is used to read the program from a user-based input stream, where the user is the one who is responsible of the information inputs. Input stream reader is useful for us to be able to read a data from a file. And lastly, the IO exception. IO stands for input output. when an input or output operation fails or misinterpreted, those methods throw the IO exception. This will not be thrown if you try to read a memory because Java will handle it for you.
With the while loop system, if you put one, register. If you put two, exit. Here in the option one, input one, we use a various if method and if else if method. And for number two, if you put number two, the the code will stop. That's why we use break. First, the if option. If option number one, if if you type one, this 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 line will be printed. The A the ABCD in ABCDEF. Um, and if select A, we use to variable A uppercase A and lowercase a because if maybe the user may type uppercase or lowercase. This is or okay. For number two, else if select B or select lowercase b. Same as the letter A, we added a new print line. Enter your pet breed. And moving on to letter C, same as the first one. Else if select uppercase C or lowercase c. Adding a pet color. Else if selection B. Uh, select B equals uppercase B and lowercase b. Adding a pet age. Else if select equals uppercase E or lowercase e. Adding pet sex. Else if selection uppercase F or lowercase f. Adding owner's name. And then the else if option number two, when you type 2, the code will stop and the while for the code will not leak.
So for us to be able to call the pet name, type, breed, color, age, sex, and owner's name, we will going to declare. We will have a declaration of objects, which is the pet. The object name is pet is equals to new pet, which includes their parameters. So for selection A, the parameters of our first pet is name and type. So using a show details method, we will call the name and type of the pet. And for selection B, we have the name pet1, new pet, which includes the name, type, breed, and we will be called from our pet class. Then for selection C, pet2 object is declared, which includes the parameter of name, type, breed, and color. For selection D, pet3 object is declared, including the name, type, breed, color, age of the pet. Next is pet 4, includes name, type, breed, color, age, and sex. And lastly, for our last pet object, which has the informations of name, type, breed, color, age, sex, and owner's name. That is the end of our presentation of Welcome to Pet Shop. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.